Good morning to all DNA Astrology US and listeners. Welcome to DNA Astrology in English. I would like to express here today, according to the DNA Astrology, what would be happen if two or more planets placed in the ascendant. If two planets or three planets placed in ascendant, for example, Sun, Mercury is the planets and Venus is the planet, these three connected planets almost very close to move each other. This is quite common. What is the ascendant? It can be any lagna. What if Sun and Mercury placed together and conjugate in the lagna? Usually what we consider, we take the characteristics of Sun and Mercury, that what we do usually in all traditional astrological methods. But what we will be doing here according to DNA astrology is we are taking the birth star of Sun and Mercury. So what is here important? For example, what is the birth star of Sun? All birth star of Sun is Hasta. So Hasta star carries the karmic register of Jupiter. And what about Mercury? The birth star of Mercury is Dhanishta. So Dhanishta carries karmic registry of Saturn. The concerned person will have the character, attitude and any reacting this way. I mean, the character reaction of the particular person in the way to the external environment, everything is influenced by, here is not Sun and Mercury, everything influenced by this Jupiter and Saturn. I mean it here, instead of Sun and Mercury, there the influencing is by only Jupiter and Saturn. Saturn karma, this is between difference we are interpreting in the horoscope. So based on the planets placements, we are assuming the character of concerned person that doesn't matches to his exact mannerism of a characteristic in the real. So why? This is the difference happening because of the in-depth karma planet is working out. Usually you take any ascendant. If Mercury is placed in ascendant, what would characteristics of Mercury? Mercury is a god of mathematics. Mercury is a karakatva of writing and literature and alpha mind power and subconscious memory power, telecommunication, journalism, photography, camera, fingerprints, eye print, Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license and all ID proofs. So Mercury is responsible for all our ID and also signature. Without signature, none of our documents will be applicable in legal court. For example, if your father is having money deposited in the fixed, it may be some lakhs, whatever may be, in the bank. After expiring the father or grandfather, that money is owned by you. That means according to the law, It is your own property. But where we approach to the bank, to the manager, what will he asked? What is the proof that you are a concerned person, that you will that he will ask? Death certificate of a concerned expiring person, and here that too on concerned person, first of all he clarify his doubts. After that, and he will ask birth certificate of yourself. He will ask all identities. So evidence is the word that controlled by the Mercury. What are all documents and materials, proof recorded, proof, video proofs are registered, and everything which is registered comes under the Mercury. That is why astrology is a karakatva of Mercury. If you want to know, if you want to learn, if you want to expert in the Mercury, if you want to Mercury, if you want to expert in the astrology, then Mercury is the karakatva is very important. Astrology is a fate. Script of Mercury is placed in the Lagna. What we think the concerned person will be mathematical and highly logical. The concerned person will use the subconscious memory power in infallible area. That how we are interpreted the Mercury placed in the Lagna. But what really happened in there is when Mercury is placed in the ascendant, character of Mercury won't work out at all, because Mercury birth star is Dhanishta. So Dhanishta carries karmic registry of Saturn. So Saturn will play influences. What are characteristic of features of Saturn? It will influence concerned persons. Mercury is very, very punctual. Calculation is Mercury. Time is Mercury. If Mercury influencing a person, he will be on time and punctual and core to the punctuality. If Mercury is placed in Lagna, the concerned person will not be impunctual, because it acts like a karmic registry of Saturn, that you should understand. If there is a planet in the Lagna, the person will somewhat luckier. I mean, if there is no planet in Lagna, who were having no planet in the Lagna, somehow he is the luckier person in the world. It is great gift for the ascendant. You know why it is great? Any planet sitting in the Lagna, it will try to dominate the characters and control the emotion of the concerned person. Here you can observe whatever I told, that all things, if you apply in your horoscope chart, you can get a wonderful message. Try your best. Thank you.